Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you?
Welcome back to my another video.
In this video, I am going to show you how to merge two columns without losing data in Microsoft Excel. Let's get started. At first, you have to open your Excel workbook. Now you want to merge two columns without losing data. At first, select two columns. Now I am select the two column. Then go to the home menu. Select the merge and center option. Then we can see we merge two columns without losing data easily. You can write anything. Select the column and write any text. Now we can see we merge two columns without losing data easily. I hope you enjoyed my video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.